And tell us a little bit about being the chief operating officer, right? What does that entail you doing in the business for the business?
This is where my previous experience come to play, on understanding the operation. So when what I did, there's a lot of myths on things with people changing from industry to industry to, oh, I never work in that industry. The thing that I always known is that concepts apply, doesn't matter what industry you're in. When I was this I actually learned by understanding the supply chain piece of it, right? I was one of the early adopters of the supply chain. And within the group that I was part of, we always asked, where else can we apply supply chain in? So we went into, oh, can we apply to the medical industry? And that's where nowadays you see all those positions open in the supply chain within the medical industry. Because we ask those questions, how can we apply these concepts to other industries? So that being said, understanding the operations of food manufacturing, you can apply those operations, those concepts to any industry. So within our business, what we able to create is these areas, and each area applies the same concepts. As I mentioned, we work on the storm restoration. So what that means is that you gotta be able to secure materials. So you apply all these supply chain concepts into securing material. When storms come through some neighborhoods and some markets, the materials get short, right? We have such a great relationship that we don't get affected as much as some other companies.